Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. Today I am making a little bit of Italian style spaghetti squash. Now I have already made my spaghetti squash in the oven and I'll link that video in the description. But I typically do this like on a weekend and prepare this for the week so that I have it later. Sometimes I will serve it right away. But today I want to do something special and just serve it as a side along with my protein and a salad. So this kind of just doesn't take very long. So I have a tablespoon of butter warming up in my skillet. And while that's warming up or melting, I have 2 cloves of garlic. And you can chop and mince them. I just like my microplane to do that. So it's just completely up to you how you want to prepare that. And even if there's a bigger chunk of garlic, whew, that's a nice surprise. Or at least I would think so. And immediately we have that yummy garlic butter smell. Which we just want to get fragrant. It won't even take nothing longer than a couple minutes. And this is half. I only have about half of my spaghetti squash. I'm just going to pop that in there. And we'll get that nice garlicky, buttery yumminess all over that spaghetti squash and heat it up. And this is a personal preference. Just go ahead and taste for doneness and heat. I would probably heat it up a couple more minutes. Make it nice and warm and steamy. All right, my spaghetti squash is heated up enough. And alas, I do not have fresh herbs, alas, alack. But I have a few dried herbs. Little parsley, oregano, and basil. And I am going to just finish this off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And serve maybe with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And this is kind of a nice Italian style spaghetti squash to serve on the side. Wonderful for incorporating more vegetables into your meal, to your life, or and kind of maybe cut down on some other breads if that's what you're also trying to do. And maybe just trying something new, which I highly, highly recommend. Always try something new in the kitchen, and hopefully you will be pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe for more content, and I really can't wait to see you again soon. Take care.